Hi everyone, welcome back to Transcended Institute. In this particular video, we'll be doing question 3 from the 2023 G.C.E Biology Paper 2. Before I get into this video, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section on what paper I should do next. Let's get into it. So question 3 says, Figure 3 shows part of the respiratory organs of a bony fish. Okay, so we have the figure 3 here, and then question 3a1 says identify structure labeled Z. Okay, so this is the structure labeled Z, which is the gill filament. Okay, the gill filament. And just something that I should mention as well, so the gill bar is this line in between the gill filament, and then these sharp things are called the gill rakers. So these are gill rakers. Okay, that's just a note that you can take. And then question 3a2 says explain how structure labeled Z are sustainable for their functions. So structure labeled Z is pretty much gills. So if you have cleaned fish before, I'm sure you have seen the gills in that they are very small, making them to have a large surface area. So this large surface area allows them to maximize the amount of oxygen that can diffuse from the water into the blood. Okay, so they are just for to maximize the oxygen, to maximize the oxygen that can diffuse from the water, that diffuse from the water into the blood. Okay, and then question 3.3 says name two other respiratory organs in the fish other than the one shown in figure 3. So we have the operculum, and then we have the mouth. Okay, and then question 3b says describe the role played by each of the respiratory organs identified in A2. Okay, so one, which is the operculum, the role of the operculum is pretty much just to protect the cover for the gills and help regulate the flow of water over the gills. Okay, so it protects the gills, and also to regulate the flow of water. Okay, and then 2, which is the mouth, is responsible for ingesting water. It's responsible for ingesting water. So this same water is the one that carries the oxygen. Okay, and then which respiratory organ in humans plays the same role as structure Z in the bony fish? So that's the alveolus. And that's the end for question 3. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.